I would like to talk with you today about medical marijuana and how I believe it should be legalized to help people with medical issues. I believe that there are a lot of different illnesses and conditions that would benefit most from medical marijuana instead of other medicine. I would like to get an idea where you stand on this matter. If you, like me, think that it should be legalized, or if you do not think it should be, and why. My overall goal is to see where you are educated and where you are not on this matter. According to the National Institute on Drug Abuse, April 2017, medical marijuana is using the whole unprocessed marijuana plant or its basic extracts to treat symptoms of illness and other conditions. Okay.
Yep.
Grandma, would you like to go first? What is your opinion on medical marijuana?
I really don't have an opinion on it because I'm too old. Maybe it's good for some of the things that they have now. I've heard they are.
Okay. Brandy, what do you know about medical marijuana?
I don't know a lot of facts, but I hear a lot of different medical issues that it could be used for, and that it's been used in trials and has been successful, but in most places it's not legalized so people can benefit from it.
Okay. Do you know any conditions that medical marijuana can help?
Anxiety, glaucoma, ADHD,
Anything else?
seizures.
Okay. Do you know anyone that has used medical marijuana or a person that could benefit from using it?
I don't know how to say it.
Grandpa.
Glaucoma?
Mm-hmm.
Anybody else?
No.
Okay.
I'm confused.
Do you want me to answer?
Yes, would you like to answer for her?
Our grandpa had glaucoma, and we wished that he could try it and see if it would help him or not. Her aunt, our sister, had seizures. Maybe it would have benefited her.
Anybody else? Okay. Moving on. Let's see. How about this one? Do you know the medical marijuana laws here in Iowa? Can you use medical marijuana in Iowa?
If you have seizures.
Okay. That works. Let me see. Brandy, do you think there's any health risks associated with medical marijuana?
I'm sure there's some risks, just like with any medicine. And I suppose the same as cigarettes. You're taking smoke into your lungs or whatever, but I don't think any more than any other drug.
Okay. Do you know what states already have legalized medical marijuana?
I know there's several that have been. Iowa, New Mexico, Minnesota, Wyoming. You can buy any kind there. Colorado.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Grandma, do you have any idea of the medicines medical marijuana could replace? Instead of them taking the medicine, they could use medical marijuana.
Well, not really, because there are so many new medicines, but maybe marijuana could help several of them. I don't know for sure.
Does anybody have an idea?
Glaucoma, it helps, but you still have to take medicine. Your eye drops.
Yeah.
Seizures, you don't. ADHD, anxiety, cancer,
I wonder, yeah, like pain medicine.
pain
for cancer.
medication. Yeah.
Does anybody know the requirements of being able to obtain and use medical marijuana?
Well, you
I
have
know
to
you-
have a doctor's prescription.
I know, but I won't, how
You
do you
have-
get that?
You have to go to your doctor and they evaluate you and give you a card to be able to go to a licensed
Physician.
place that sells.
Pharmacy or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything you would like to know about medical marijuana?
No.
I guess I would like to know if there's any side effects or if you are able to take it to treat something, if there are side effects of it.
Or if you can get addicted to it.
Okay. Would you like to know anything? Okay. You're sure? Nothing?
How much and where can I get it?
Okay, thank you.
My back pain.
Well, now you
Oh,
weren't
yeah.
do you know you weren't even in it